Upgrading windows in an older home can feel both exciting and overwhelming. Many homes in Mandeville were built decades ago, and while they offer charm and character, their original windows often struggle to meet today's comfort and performance expectations. Knowing what to expect during a window upgrade helps homeowners plan confidently and enjoy the process. For Mandeville residents, modern window upgrades can dramatically improve comfort while preserving the home's unique appeal. An initial assessment of existing windows. The window upgrade process begins with a thorough evaluation of the existing windows and frames. In older Mandeville homes, windows may show signs of wear such as draftiness, moisture damage, or difficulty opening and closing. Professionals inspect window openings, framing, and surrounding walls to identify any structural issues that could affect installation. This step ensures the upgrade addresses underlying problems rather than simply replacing glass. Accounting for non-standard window sizes. Older homes often feature window openings that don't match modern standard sizes. Over time, settling can also cause openings to become uneven. In Mandeville homes, window upgrades typically involve custom measurements to ensure a proper fit. Custom sizing helps maintain the home's appearance while ensuring modern performance. Preserving architectural character. Many older Mandeville homes have distinctive architectural features that homeowners want to preserve. Modern windows are available in styles that complement traditional designs. During the upgrade process, homeowners can choose window designs that maintain the home's character while improving function, comfort, and durability. Improving comfort and performance. One of the most noticeable changes after upgrading windows is improved indoor comfort. Older windows often allow drafts, moisture, and outside noise to enter. New windows are designed with improved insulation and sealing. In Mandeville homes, this results in fewer drafts, more consistent temperatures, and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Managing moisture and humidity. Humidity is a common challenge in Mandeville. Older windows may contribute to condensation or water intrusion during storms. Modern windows are designed to resist moisture infiltration and support better indoor humidity control. Homeowners often notice drier, fresher indoor air after upgrading. Preparing for minor repairs during installation. When replacing windows in older homes, installers may uncover minor issues such as damaged wood or uneven framing. In Mandeville homes, addressing these issues during installation ensures new windows perform properly and last longer. While this can add time to the project, it leads to better long-term results. Understanding the installation timeline. Window upgrades in older homes may take slightly longer than standard replacements due to custom sizing and preparation work. Homeowners in Mandeville can expect a structured process that minimizes disruption while ensuring quality results. Enhancing natural light and functionality. New windows often provide clearer glass and smoother operation. In older Mandeville homes, homeowners enjoy brighter interiors and easier window use after upgrading. Professional installation is essential. Professional installation ensures windows are properly fitted, sealed, and aligned, especially important in older structures. Experienced installers understand the challenges of older Mandeville homes and adapt their approach accordingly. A worthwhile investment for Mandeville homeowners. Upgrading windows in an older Mandeville home offers both immediate comfort and long-term value. With careful planning, professional installation, and thoughtful design choices, homeowners can enjoy modern performance while preserving the charm that makes their home unique.